Balancing a block. Oh, absolutely. The pinnacle of human achievement right here. I mean, move over space exploration and medical breakthroughs, because clearly the ability to balance a hefty block on its edge is what separates the geniuses from the mere mortal. It's like solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded while reciting Shakespeare backward, a true testament to one's unmatched intellect. And who needs sleep anyway? Maintaining that delicate equilibrium between gravity and impending block doom is like solving advanced calculus problems in your sleep. Oh, the trials and tribulations of mastering this unparalleled art form. It's practically a PhD-level pursuit, requiring an intellect capable of bending spoons with sheer mental prowess. Slowly and painstakingly, we evolve from stumbling novices to Nobel Prize-worthy experts in the field of block standing. Support? Ah, yes, the cornerstone of human existence, because nothing says I believe in you like watching someone attempt a monumental block balancing act and thinking, you're setting yourself up for failure, my friend. And those comrades we cherish, our dear friends who truly understand the complexities of life on the edge. They're the real MVPs, the unsung heroes who selflessly shower us with their wisdom, especially when we dare to dream big. Oh, you think you're a daredevil? Good luck with that, they say, while secretly hoping for a spectacular crash. But fear not, for when victory is eventually secured, these angels of camaraderie swoop in to claim their rightful share of the glory. It's a tale as old as time, or at least as old as sanding blocks precariously. But lo and behold, after countless attempts, hours of perseverance, and a fair amount of good-natured mockery from our dear friends, the impossible becomes possible. As if guided by some unseen cosmic hand, the blocks find their groove. They stack upon each other with a precision that defies logic. It's a moment of pure triumph as we witness the culmination of our efforts. The crowd by this point gathered to witness the epic saga erupts in a cacophony of applause, cheers, and maybe even a few joyful tears. Oh yes, this is our moment, and we're relishing it like a gourmet meal after weeks of surviving on surreal. And there it stands, the towering achievement of human ingenuity, the epitome of determination, in defiance of gravity's relentless pull. We soak in the well-deserved praise from our supportive friends who are now conveniently swarming around us like proud seagulls claiming credit for a successful landing. The moment calls for a standing ovation not just for the blocks, but for the unwavering spirit that carried us through the journey. Cameras flash, documenting this monumental achievement for posterity, or at least for our social media accounts. 6 nails on 1 nail. Imagine a world where nails have decided to take up a new career as circus performers. They're tired of being hammered into boring old planks, and they've chosen the glamorous life of balancing where gravity just isn't invited. And here they are, folks, our brave 6 nails, each with its own distinct personality and charm. They're approaching the stage with the confidence of seasoned tightrope walkers. Or should I say, tight nail walkers. Sorry, I couldn't resist. With a mix of suspense and awe, the first nail takes its place on the grand stage. The tension is so thick you could cut it with a saw, but let's not give these nails any ideas. And now, one by one, the other nails join in. It's like a nail convention up in here. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to have your minds blown. As if rehearsed by nail choreographers, these 6 metallic maestros are balancing perfectly on a single nail. Newton would be scratching his head right now, questioning all of his Apple-related discoveries. You might be thinking, wait, is this some kind of magic trick? Well, no disappearing rabbits here, folks. Just nails being nails, doing what they do best, pretending to be gravity-defying acrobat. Now, you might be expecting me to reveal the mystical secret behind this extraordinary feat. But where's the fun in that? Let's just say it's a combination of nail wizardry, a sprinkle of imagination, and perhaps a dash of magnetism wink. And there you have it, folks. The most incredible nail performance you've never seen before. 6 nails balancing on 1 nail, a spectacle so unbelievable you'll be questioning whether the earth is round or just a giant nail spinning in space. Fork and toothpick. Well, folks, gather round for an experience that will redefine your understanding of nail-related challenges. We present to you the incredibly captivating, the stupendously stupefying, the fork and toothpick on one nail challenge. Yes, you heard that right. We've escalated from nails to utensils. Brace yourselves. The mighty nail, the unsung hero of this grand spectacle. With a tip that's probably wondering why it's being subjected to this madness, it stands ready to host our illustrious contestants. Will it crumble under the weight of this culinary rivalry? Only time will tell. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth has arrived. Forky and Toothpick Tony precariously position themselves on the nail, attempting to outbalance each other in the most sophisticated game of teeter-totter ever witnessed. Oh, the suspense! And there you have it, folks. After seconds of intense rivalry, the nail stands victorious, or rather, upright, as Forky and Toothpick Tony relinquish their balancing aspirations and resign to their fates. The nail prevails as the unsung hero once again, holding the fort against culinary combatants. In the grand tapestry of human achievements, balancing a fork and a toothpick on one nail might not exactly rewrite history books. But hey, let's give credit where credit's due. These inanimate objects gave it their all in a nail-biting, pun intended, battle of balance. As we bid adieu to Forky and Toothpick Tony, let's remember that sometimes even the quirkiest challenges can serve as a delightful reminder that life's simplest absurdities can bring a smile to our faces. Until next time, keep pondering the mysteries of the universe, or at least the mysteries of balancing utensils on nails. Balancing rocks. We find ourselves in a tranquil landscape, surrounded by nature's raw beauty. Amongst the pebbles and stones lies an artist, a modern-day sorcerer who transforms these unassuming rocks into astonishing works of art. It's like watching Mother Nature and human craftsmanship collaborate in a delicate waltz. Our rock balancing virtuoso carefully selects stones with a discerning eye, evaluating their shapes, textures, and sizes. It's as if the rocks themselves whisper their secrets, guiding the artist to their destined place in the grand balancing act. With stones in hand, our artist begins the meticulous process of balance. It's a dance of patience, precision, and sometimes sheer luck. Each stone is positioned delicately, adjusting, repositioning, and testing the limits of gravity. As the stones nestle into their precarious positions, a harmonious synergy emerges, and the rocks seem to defy their inherent weight. As our artist continues their work, there's an undeniable connection between human creativity and the natural world. The rocks, remnants of ancient landscapes, become vessels of artistic expression. It's a reminder that nature's elements can be harnessed to create beauty, a collaboration that transcends time. In the final moments, as the last stone finds its place, the artist steps back, and we're left in awe of the masterpiece before us. The rocks, once heavy and inert, now stand as if defying the very laws of physics. It's a moment of pure artistry and a celebration of human potential. Thank you for watching until the end. If you like this video, click on the next one shown on your screen. I'm sure you'll love it.